Day one on working on this Suzuki King Quad. We just swapped the oil and filter. That's done. I don't know the last time it was. Found an issue with our front CV axles. I know the rears were clicking and need to be done. Previous owner told me that as well. This thing needs tires. They're dry rot. You can see the shape that this body is in. My man Jojo right here is taking off the rear rack. So we installed a new battery. I just did a quick test with it running. We have the same voltage as when it's off. So we got 12 volts right there. Turning the key on. Starting it. It's idling at 12 volts DC. So we should have extra power coming into this battery to regenerate it as it's idling and running. What we're doing right now is two things. We're taking this off because we do want to paint this quad, so that'll make it a little easier. Number two, we need to get back here. Our rectifier is hidden right behind here. Wires coming from the stator go into that rectifier. Rectifier then runs up to this battery. So we're going to run a couple tests and figure out whether it's the stator or the rectifier and replace the part that's wrong. While this rack is off, while this body's off, we're going to repaint it. Joe, what color you want to paint it?
Black.
We're going black with this thing.
I mean, you see, look, those are my two quads over there. You see they're black?
He wants to match his quads. So it looks like we're doing black.
Anyways, this thing has the most terriblest. It has a terrible paint job.
We'll say goodbye to it because it's probably the last time you'll see it like this.
Probably.
Removed 2 screws on each side of the rear, 2 bolts, 3, what is that, 2, 4, 5, 6, and then underneath here and here were 2 little screws. Pull that rack right off. Come on, bro, put some muscles into it. You got a muscle shirt on, make it happen. Come on, up, there you go. All right, so that's done. While he was doing that, I pulled out all the body clips, all the plastic little clips. We're gonna pop this piece off right now. Let's see what we're working with. And Jojo and I labeled the wire harness so we could wire everything back together. Took the body off so that we could paint it. Got the back rack off. And this right here is our rectifier. I believe I didn't trace the wires yet, but this should be coming from our stator. And then these should be going from the rectifier to the battery. But once I trace the wires, we'll know for sure. We'll take a look. It's just easier, a little overkill to take the whole body off, but a heck of a lot easier than trying to jack the body up, possibly cracking the plastic just to get to the rectifier. All right, so we removed and replaced the old rectifier, which was the issue. It's just 2 screws right here that go into the frame and 1 quick connect harness. This is coming from the stator. What I did before is I tested the stator, which I'll show you now. We're going to start the quad. With it running, where the 3 yellow wires are, you're going to go from first wire to second. If you look at the multimeter right here, first to second pin, we have about 20 volts. So second to third, we have 20. Second to first, we have 20. So across all 3, we're getting 20. So we know that the stator is good, putting out constant 20 volts. When I plug this in now, and I go to the battery connector with the battery terminals, right here on the multimeter, you can see we're getting 14 volts right now with the battery. When the bike is off, it's 12 to 13. Now if we start giving it a little gas, stays constantly at 14, so you're slowly recharging the battery as you're driving. So in this case, it was the stator, the rectifier, not the stator, so we're good to go. We could ride, shut it off, and recharge it.